Hello everyone, today we will be demonstrating a dashboard migration using our Tableau to Power BI Migration Utility. KPI Partners developed this utility to automate the migration of Tableau workbooks to Power BI. By automating the migration of dashboards and reports, we are able to reduce build efforts by up to 70 to 80%, lowering the overall cost and timeline by 85 to 90% for the migration effort.
Let's jump right in.
First off, we'll start by selecting the Tableau directory containing the crucial metadata files, typically in the form of .twb files. This serves as our input directory. For today's demo, we'll focus on the sales order workbook to illustrate the process effectively. Upon opening the sales order workbook, we observe its intricate components, the data source connections, tables, relationships, and the workbook-related files. Our attention is drawn to the dashboard we've selected for conversion into a Power BI equivalent report. Let's navigate to the next step, where we input essential parameters. These parameters include the Power BI connection details, such as the data source URL, workspace, entity, and user authentication, vital for establishing a secure connection with a Power BI application where our dataset will be published. With our parameters set, we proceed to execute the process. This action initiates the extraction of metadata from the sales order.twb file, storing it neatly into CSV files. Once the extraction is complete, we move on to the deployment phase. During deployment, the data model equivalent, namely the tabular model, and reports are created, forming a Power BI project. As the process unfolds, we witness the construction of the tabular object model, including the translated DAX and the generation of a report.json file, mirroring the Tableau dashboard in Power BI. Upon successful deployment, we observe the creation of multiple directories housing our converted assets. Navigating to the project's directory, we encounter the sales order data model and the sales order report.json file, encapsulating the Power BI dashboard details. Opening the sales order project file, we confirm the successful migration of tabular reports to Power BI, all built upon the robust sales order data model. In essence, our journey from Tableau to Power BI Accelerator showcases a seamless transition, empowering users with enhanced reporting capabilities and efficiency. Contact us today to schedule your free migration assessment and discover how KPI Partners can help accelerate your journey from Tableau to Power BI.